This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will write a program in GW Basic Programming Language to calculate the print and sum of an array of three numbers using let statement. So we'll first write the question, write a program to calculate and print the sum and average of three numbers using let statement. So to learn this we will use the IDE where we will write the program to execute it. So here we are, viewers. Here we will type the program to calculate and print the sum and average of three numbers using let statement. So at line number 10 we will type let A is equal to 10. At line number 20 we'll type let B is equal to 20. At line number 30 we will type let C is equal to 30. At line number 40 we will type let sum is equal to A plus B plus C. At line number 50 we will type let AVG equal to sum divided by 3. At line number 60 we will type print sum of three numbers is sum. And at line number 70 we'll type print average of three numbers is AVG. Since we have used the variable sum to add three numbers A, B, C, the values stored the value stored A is 10, the value stored B is 20, and the value stored in C is 30. So 30 plus 20 is equal to 50, 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. So it's the calculation of all three numbers 60. The sum of three will be stored in the sum variable, so the value of the sum will be displayed over here in this. With this message, sum of three numbers is equal to 60, and the average is 60 divided by 30 is equal to 2. So the value of the sum divided by 3 means 60 divided by 3 is equal to 20. So 20 will be the average, and the value stored over here will be displayed over here with the message average of three numbers is 20. So at line number 80 we will type END, and now we'll save this program by pressing the F4 key and type avg.bas, and then we'll load it and type avg.bas, then we'll run it. So the sum of three numbers is 60, and the sum of average of three numbers is 20. So as you can see, there's a marginal gap distance, so you need to reduce it. So how can we reduce it? We have used comma with the after the double quote, so we should have used semicolon to reduce the space. So we will type list and we'll type edit to edit the line number 60, and over here we will type edit 60, and at the place in place of semicolon comma we will type semicolon and type sum. Likewise at line number 70 we'll type edit 70 and we'll type semicolon AVG, and then type list, and then we'll press F2 key. Now as you can see that the space is now reduced, and we can see less space with the value 60 and 20. So that's all for today. We have learned a program in BASIC to calculate sum and average of different three numbers using the let statement.